Okay, I'm going to show you how to track how many calories you're consuming from a meal you're cooking at home. So I'm using the cheesy chicken balls recipe here. I'm going to cook using these ingredients as you see on the screen, and that's going to be for all of us, which is going to serve 4 people. So I need to divide each of those ingredients by 4. I've switched over to MyFitnessPal. This is on the computer, but it is exactly the same as using the app. And first thing I'm entering is the first ingredient, chicken mince. So the total for the whole batch is 1 kilogram of chicken mince. So divide that by 4, it is 250 grams. So that is how much I will be eating. So I add that. Next I'm going to go to add food. I'm going to switch over back. What's next? 4 egg whites. Okay, so easy. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I will be consuming a single egg white. So let's search egg whites. Yep, there it is. 1 egg white. Let's add that. Cool, that was easy. Let's move on to the next food. The recipe shows it is the protein cheese at 65 grams. So divided by 4, it's roughly say 18 grams. So, click the wrong button. Let's go to add food. Right, let's type in protein cheese. And search. And yep, there it is. Let's click on that. And we're going to enter 18 times 1 gram. Yeah, it's the same thing. 18 grams it's going to come to. Cool. So I'm going to go through all the ingredients and I'm just going to do the same thing. Divide it by 4, add it to my app, and it's going to give me the calories, how many grams of carbs, how many grams of fats, how many grams of protein I'll be having in that meal. And if I scroll down, it's going to give me the totals of how much food I've been having, how many calories, how many macros for the whole day, as long as I've entered it all properly. If you're eating out at a restaurant, don't panic. Many restaurants list their nutritional content, plus many of these calorie apps have already got the calorie content of different restaurants already in their database. Otherwise, just estimate the food quantities of your restaurant meal. For more fitness tips, visit howistayfit.com.